the channel. So as you see, I got my Mr. Beast swag on here. I don't know if you guys know who Mr. Beast is, but he's another YouTuber, and he's a legend. He's very inspiring to me. I want to do a lot of the stuff that he does on his channel with this channel, except in a different way. Like, instead of, he does a lot of stuff with money, and he just does a lot to give back. Kind of the same principle I want to do, except with hobbies, you know, and just helping people. And I take a lot of inspiration from him, and he does a lot of good, and I want to do the same thing, and just make entertaining content and help people, and bring positivity and happiness to the world. Anyway, let me get on with my script here. I've started scripting my intros. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. And it's more easy to understand what I'm saying, and instead of bouncing around all over the place. So anyway, let's get on with it. Thanks for tuning in. This video is a block bash video where I took my X-Max cruising around the neighborhood to climb some trees and jumping it on my wedge ramp. I went down the road here and found a nice big tree that I was trying to use for backflips, but the X-Max decided to try and climb the tree instead of backflipping. Then I was hitting my wedge ramp to see if the X-Max could earn its wings and learn to fly. I caught some good air, but the X-Max could not learn to fly. If you guys are new here and enjoy RC and FPV hobbies, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to stay notified. If you enjoy the video, leave a like and comment what you liked, and anything you guys would like to see or anything you need help with. You guys are here for me, so I want to be there for you too. So without too much talking, let's check out this X-Max footage and see what crazy stuff I've been up to. Roll that footage. Here we go, guys. I got the X-Max out. Let's have some fun. See if we can make this thing have some wings. I got my ramp over there. Just gonna go around bashing around the street here. Try to have some fun with this X-Max. Oh. Jeez, wow. Dang. Oh man, this thing's fun, but it's an animal. It's impossible to keep it on full wheel. Ooh, come on, chill. Hey. That was epic, guys. That was so freaking cool. Ooh. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Let's try to hit this and land good. Woo. No more front flips, guys. They try to hit the gas and make it spin over backwards, or just hold steady and let it float. Ooh. Batteries are going dead, guys. We're almost done here. Oh, batteries are dead. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you let me know in the comments what you thought about it. The next RC video will be me sending a different X-Max off my curved ramp at the edge of a dirt cliff. I sent it a few times before it broke and was even able to do a backflip, and we had multiple camera angles. It's going to be an epic video. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like a video about our pugs. We got, I made a video in the past when they were just real small puppies, and they're a little bigger now. They're still puppies, but they're quite a bit bigger. We got 4 pugs, 2 puppies and a black male pug and a fawn colored female pug. And let me know if in the comments if you guys would like to see something like that. Maybe I could chase them around my backyard with an FPV drone if you guys are interested. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay positive. Keep your heads up and find stuff that makes you happy, and you can have some fun. Later, guys.